Hey everybody, it's Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Heartland Pioneer RD210. This is a no-slide rear dining RV, and as you can see, step out the way here, you have plenty of space and plenty of room to not only entertain, but also sleep. We're going to start right here with the dinette. Easily fit 4 people here. You got the large bay campsite window, and this does reduce down into a bed, so you can sleep 2 people here. Move over to the leather plush sofa. These are actually softer than they appear, especially when you sit down, you kind of sink into it like a plush bed. This is a jackknife sofa, so it extends out into a bed to accommodate 2 people. A little bit tight, but you could probably get 2 people here. Large window where you can see all the great product here inside of RV, our Gander RV and Outdoor store. The thing I really like about the RD210s though is this back giant bay window. You got the screen here, so it does open up one side, letting in a lot of light, but also a lot of air. Now you do have a large roof mounted air conditioner as well, but being able to have these windows open, especially if you're in the mountains, gets great breeze coming in. Mountains, beach, wherever you want to go. We move up towards the kitchen, and you're going to see they got the sturdy doors, the shaker style, lots of storage space in this small camper. Even have storage space up here. Got the large fridge, and once again, you got to remember, this is no slide on this camper. And look at the space you have in that fridge. So you could take this one out for a long weekend. Now you probably think, okay, with a small camper like this, no slide, all the space being back in the rear, the kitchen is probably lacking for space, but it's not. You got the large 3-burner stove with the glass cover, which also doubles as a splash guard. Got the grill style grate on top of it, the polished silver and nickel handles, plus the large stove, and microwave up top. We continue over here to these shaker style cabinets. And you know, it's actually a nice accent that makes it residential. These grooved edges on the shaker style cabinets. But as you can see, Heartland made sure that these were going to be sturdy and that they weren't going to open in transit. Got the double sink, deep well stainless steel with the high-rise brushed nickel faucet, LED lights all the way throughout. And when we come over to the bathroom, you're going to see this is pretty spacious too. For a small camper, I mean, I got lots of leg room. No slide. I got to keep saying this. No slide in this camper. Foot flush on the toilet. Counter space plus a charging port plug here if you want to set up for a hair dryer, towel warmer, because you can't go camping without a portable towel warmer. Or at least that's what I think. Medicine cabinet mirrored right here with lots of space there too. You come over to the shower. And for a single no slide, this is actually pretty good. This is pretty roomy. Now I'm over 6'2". Ceiling is a little bit close, but I'm still not going to knock my knuckles. But more importantly than that, left to right, I got elbow room, so I'm not hunkered over worried about my shower. And with the single surround with the corner notches, got plenty of storage space for my soaps, my shampoos, whatever I need here. It's even got the texture on the single surround. And you got the cloth shower curtain there. We make our way to the master bedroom, which is separated by the cloth curtain here. As you can see, it's on the slide. It goes back and forth. But this is a pretty large full-size bed here for a small trailer with no slide. And you got nightstand space on both sides, plus charging ports and storage space underneath. So if that's where you want to put your, your backpacks, your hiking boots, some of your fishing equipment or hunting equipment, you got storage space not only under the trailer, but under the dinette, under the master bed here. And we continue with ward space there for your clothes, extra large storage up above, and you got the LED lights both here and under there. So if you're looking for a lightweight travel trailer that can sleep, anywhere from 4 to 6 people, this is going to be a great option for you. The 2020 Heartland Pioneer RD210 rear dining, especially if you like light, airiness, big windows, and just need to go somewhere, set up something, maybe a hunting cabin, a great option for you. Now, we've seen the inside. What about the outside? Okay, so here we are on the outside of the 2020 Heartland Pioneer RD210. And since we are here at Gander RV and Outdoors, you just never know what you're going to find. What do you say we take a quick tour of this thing? And yeah, what of it? I'm on a bike. Here we go. We start with the pass-through storage right up front. And if you look inside, you'll see not only is this finished, but it's true pass-through storage. That means that it's the same size entry points on both sides. And you got the covered seal right here, so you're not gonna have any rust, and the keys that are for this camper, which means, you know, most standard keys for the locks that come with RVs won't work on this one. It's one specific for this RD210. Come up to the front, got the diamond-plated rock guard, the 220-pound LP tanks, and one of my favorites, power tongue jack. Those toggle bolts help you lift and raise. Plus it has a light for additional visibility and safety at night. Got your battery plate right there. Come on, Bob, you gotta keep up. Just because I'm on a bike don't mean you can't run fast. I love what I do. Here we go. You got your water connection there, your black tank flush. You got these sealed safety and tinted glasses all the way around. A couple of your sewer outlet connections here, water holding tank. One of the favorite features I have for the travel trailers I've been putting on these days are these external showers. Never thought I would use them as much as I actually do, but they come in so handy to keep the dirt out and the good stuff in. Got your 30 amp service right there. Gray tank number 1. Come on around the back and you'll see we got the 4x4 sewer hose connection, spare tire, large window in the back, which is right over that dinette. And of course, this is wired for backup cameras. So if you want to get that set up for your vehicle, you absolutely can. But one of the things I like about Heartland, they put these storage grates on from the manufacturer. You don't have to buy it after you get the camper. So you want to store your coolers, maybe it's wood or whatever, that's good, heavy storage right there. Come back around and you'll see double axle. Got the LED lights underneath to help with that night security, but that kind of extra wide area between the axles really helps with the distribution of the weight and the suspension. Got your power port and TV connection here. So if you'll notice, the awning almost goes the entire length of the camper. And you got the exterior speakers here, which are Bluetoothed in. You can control that dual zone inside or out. But great spot to set up a TV outside the exterior right here, because you can entertain. Just a good space. It's open, it's clear. There's no vents here, so you really can enjoy the entertainment. Large windows as well, solid handle, and the fold-out stairs. And with this awning, that LED light works whether you got it in or out, powered awning. But probably the most convenient feature of this whole camper is right here. Not the door latch, but the power stabilizer jacks. You got them in the front and the rear. So if you've been thinking about upgrading that camping experience, maybe you want to find all your hunting and fishing equipment, your outdoor equipment, hiking, biking, anything you want to do outdoors, you can find at Gander RV and Outdoors, including the campers of your dreams. So entry-level camper, great if you want to upgrade that experience. Plenty of room, lots of windows for visibility and airflow. Just come check them out. We'd love to know what you think and what you'd like. Leave us some comments down below where you see yourself taking this camper. Maybe to the mountains, to the beach. We'd love to know. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I look forward to seeing you again soon. And as always, come to Gander RV and Outdoors. Check out a Pioneer. See you soon.